So this is the last thing we are going to be doing with respect to functions, and then we are going to go ahead to mess with a lot of projects and basically have fun. But I would like to see this can be a head bender. So calm down. I'm going to try to keep the examples as simple as I can. Okay, so functions as you see them can call other functions. Okay, and how is that going to look like? Good. So let's say we work for the IRS. Okay, and then we want to do some taxing. So we have a function. It's even fun. Calculate tax. Okay. Now with this function, what I want you to do is I want to take an amount. Okay, parameter as amount. I want to return amount times. Let me see tax. Okay, I'm a good guy. Let's just say 10%. Okay, I'm not God, but 10%. So this will be for me. Okay, at the IRS. Okay, and let's see. The person paying the tax wants to calculate their final price. Okay, let's see what they have to pay. All right, final price like this. That's also going to take in amount. Okay, and then we need our colon. Good. Now let's pay attention over here. Okay, now in order for the person to know what money they have left, let's say after paying tax, blah blah blah, they need the amount. Okay, they need the amount. Them paying the tax, they need the amount, and then want to subtract the tax. Okay, so we could have gone ahead to do the computation all in one function, but remember I said functions do very specific things. I mean, they can get specific as this, as having small functions doing small different things. Okay, but we want to take out the tax, which we already have a function that's calculating that. So what you simply can do is you can call the function. So you can say minus calculate. You have to spell calculate tax like this, and then we also say amount. So the moment we do have this, it's going to compute the 10%. Okay, so we have seen that we have called a function, okay, inside of another function, if that makes any sense. And what we should expect is, so this is 10%, right? Let's say our principal amount is 100. That's our final price we'll have after paying tax will be like 90. Okay, so let's see, how do I let's print. Okay, because we definitely need outputs. Now let's just call our final price. Okay, we could have put it in a variable and all that pretty stuff, but let's just call it straight ahead and print the output itself. And let's call it 100. Okay, so I'm going to run this, and then like I said, you have 90. Okay, so I don't know, you can build this program maybe using it, give it some form of UI or something, and also have a way to be getting user input itself and be calculating your tax and stuff like that. And hopefully to the applications already do this, so there should not really be a problem. Let's see if you end. Let's see if you end 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, good. So that's our tax application. So this is a very simple demonstration. I mean, it can get really complex, but again, let's keep it simple for understanding. And that will be all for functions in Python.